Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, to introduce a brand new line of products we're happy to carry at the old Emporium here, St. James of London. Now, St. James of London is a product line that's been made in London, go figure, since 1953. Now, one thing I immediately noticed about this product line was the beautiful packaging. It's glass jars, metal lids. The scents are very, very unique, very well balanced. They're not in your face, they're not overly perfumey, they're natural. And that's one of the big aspects of the product line is they use all natural ingredients, no parabens and sulfates, and even their aftershaves have no alcohol in them. So it's great for people with sensitive skin. It's great for people that have maybe razor irritation issues. So it's a wonderful line of shaving products. We're very happy to have them finally in our store. Truth be told, the U.S. rep had been after me for a while. I met him at Maggard's Razors, or sorry, no, Big Shave. I met him at Big Shave years ago, and I love the product. I got some samples. I've tried it. I enjoy it, and I just never placed that order, and so now we have, and we are happy to be carrying it here. For the soaps, there are 6 scents, and I don't have to go through all of them, but sandalwood, and they have pepper, and clary sage. I mean, there's kind of a wide range. Lavender, so kind of all the classics you'd want. The soap dishes go for $25 for these, and for the amount that you're getting in here, I believe it's 150 milliliters or 5.07 fluid ounces. That's a lot of product. So I think it's a great deal, especially coming from London. Gosh, incredible smell, and I can't stop smelling them. They're very, and again, they're not these bright, flashy, in your face, blow up in your nose scent. They are very subtle and balanced, and I think that after I've used this one for sure. One of the samples was the cedar wood and clary sage that I got, and I quite enjoyed. In fact, I use it for travel a lot as well. Very nice. And the aftershaves are also in glass jars. It's a gel, and it kind of squirts out of a little pumper like this. That just smells wonderful. I love it. Great for travel as well. You can throw this in your container, your dot bag, your suitcase. This is 100 milliliters or 3.4 fluid ounces. These are $35. So I think these are a great addition to your shaving den. If you haven't already tried it, they are a classic. And try them out today. Get them from RazorEmporium.com. Thank you guys for checking out our channel. It's pretty nice here, right? It's a pretty cool place to be hanging out. Subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with all your buddies, and if you do comment, have you tried St. James in London? Is there another English-based shaving product that you're really enjoying? Let me know in the comments below, and you're entered to win this, the official black and blue Razor Emporium t-shirt. We enjoy making these videos for you guys. Check us out next time. We try to publish a video every week or maybe 2 a week, so we'll see you here at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.